Hello and welcome to Programming Rush. In this video, we are going to generate a bit string or binary string using a simple recursion in C programming. So let's start. So first of all, let us declare the variable n. This is the size of string that we want. Now we'll use scanf to take the input from user about the length, and this is a very simple syntax as you know. Now let us define the array. Let's set it to char array and let it defined by total length of n plus 1. Now you may understand why, because we will declare the last bit as the ending of line, the last position of array as this ending of line. Now let us declare a function void binary. You can name it anything you want. Let us take the input n and the array a, and it is of size n plus 1. Now let us check if n is less than 1. We will return, we will not return, we will print the string, that is the we have, that is the string a, because a is a string, you know, the character, the array of character is a string, and we are printing this array. Now we are going to recursively call this binary array by setting the variables as, let us see, look at this. We will set this as, first of all we will do a capital a n minus 1, the last position, as 0. Then we will call binary. We will move from the last position, sorry, let us change this, from the last position to the first position, and when n becomes less than 1, that is 0, we will print it. And now we will call it again n minus 1 and then a. I think you have understood how I did this. We'll print this in, print the array in this way. And so now let us do the same thing for n minus 1 again, and now we will set it to 1, and we will get all the combinations using this for. Okay, we have successfully called this. Now we need to call this function here, and how we will call this? We will call binary n, that is the total size, and then array a, and this if will print the array of character or the string, the n bit binary string, and this will set the values as 0 and 1, 0 and 1, and this will go on. So let us run this function. Okay, it is running. Let us wait for it. Okay, yeah, so let us give 2, and we got 0 1 0 1. I think I missed something. I should put here public n. I'm sorry. Now I will call it again. Okay, so let us debug this file again and using GCC. The Clang is another version. Um, okay, that is the problem. I have declared it here. I should declare here char. Now let us call this function. Okay, now the function will run. I'm going to put here 2. I have got 00100111. That's the all possible combination of 2-bit binary string. Let us run this with a larger value, and the recursion will, for 2 it is going to 4 times, and now I'm going to put here 3. Let's see how many values do we get. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is very simple that we are getting, and it is right that we are getting 2 to the power n results. We are giving here n, we are changing it to n plus 1, means we are declaring an array of n because we want to end the line. Otherwise we can get some errors. You may or may not get, but sometimes it gives error. So it is a better way to declare the last position as null, not null, the end of line. And let us give a very big, let's say 10, and it will go on because 2 to the power 10 stands for 1024, so it will print so many lines. It will going to print for all the lines. So let us wait for that. And yeah, it's ended. This, you can see the last line is all the ones, and it changes like this only. It's always that you will get all the, okay, the first print has not been printed because not, we cannot see that. And we have seen that how can we do this. So here is the code. You will find the code in the description. Make sure that you see the code if you make any mistake while replicating it. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, like this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.